For 27 days, I was convinced I had won. I was a homeowner, a first-time buyer in the American market. I had the keys, the closing documents, and the 30-year fixed-rate mortgage. I remember looking at the number on the loan document, $300,000. That was the price. And like millions of young Americans, I celebrated without ever looking at the real cost of the trap I'd just walked into. Because here is the harsh, immediate reality. That $300,000 house is not costing you $300,000. It is going to cost you $750,000. The difference? That $450,000 that just vanishes over the life of the loan? That is the mortgage trap. It is the largest, most socially accepted financial mistake young professionals in the United States make. I made this mistake, and today I'm breaking down the 3 critical traps that ensure you pay double for your home, and the 3 American strategies I use now to defeat the 30-year timeline. Trap number 1 is the principal interest illusion. When you get your first statement, you see the payment, let's say it's $1,800 a month. You feel productive. You feel like you're building equity. But here's the data. For the first 5 years of your 30-year mortgage, roughly 70% of that payment is going straight to interest, not your principal. You are paying the bank's profit first. In fact, it often takes 8 full years before the majority of your monthly payment actually starts chipping away at the $300,000 loan itself. Until then, you are renting money. The solution? Target the principal. Call your bank, your loan servicer, and ask them for the exact calculation for an extra principal-only payment. You must specify those 3 words. If you add just $100 extra to your principal every single month, you will save tens of thousands of dollars in interest and cut 4 to 5 years off your 30-year commitment. It's the single easiest action. Mistake number 2 is ignoring the rate refinance window. When you first buy, your credit score, your FICO, might not be elite. You might be focused on the chaos of moving, not the long-term math. Let's look at the numbers. On a $300,000 loan, moving your rate from 4.5% to 3.5% saves you approximately $60,000 in total interest over the life of the loan. That's a new car. Young buyers get a mortgage, then forget about it. They miss the 3 to 5 year window when they've established a perfect payment history, their FICO score has jumped, and market rates might have dipped. The solution? Set a refinance alert. Put a recurring calendar reminder for 36 months after your closing date. Review your credit report, check your FICO, and talk to a new lender. Do not stay loyal to your initial lender. Your first mortgage is simply a tool to get the house. Your second mortgage, the refinance, is your opportunity to aggressively attack the total interest paid. Trap number 3 is a common financial myth, the bi-weekly payment fallacy. You've likely heard this advice. Pay half your monthly payment every 2 weeks and you'll pay it off faster. Here's the problem. When you pay every 2 weeks, you make 26 half payments a year, which equals 13 full monthly payments, 1 extra payment annually. This absolutely works, but here is the trap. Banks charge a service fee to set up and administer an automated bi-weekly payment schedule. You are paying a fee for something you can and should do manually for free. The solution? Automate the 13th payment. Simply divide your normal mortgage payment by 12. Then, set up a small, extra monthly transfer of that exact amount directly to your principal. For our $1,800 payment, that's just $150 extra set to auto-draft every month. It achieves the exact same result as the biweekly schedule, cutting years off your loan without ever giving the bank an unnecessary fee. That $450,000 of interest is not a fixed cost. It is the cost of financial ignorance and inaction. The mortgage trap is not about the house price. It's about the cost of the money you borrow. As a young professional, you have the greatest advantage: time. A few $100s applied early will save you a fortune. You can turn that 30-year sentence into a 20-year freedom plan. You are now equipped with the strategies to fight back against the bank's schedule. Don't let your $300,000 asset become a $750,000 mistake. Before you click away, I want to know which of these 3 traps you have already fallen into. Comment trap 1, 2, or 3 below and tell me your strategy for defeating your current loan timeline. If you are serious about smart growth and want the proven USA-specific strategies to build wealth without being trapped, make sure to subscribe. I share the mistakes so you don't have to.